Hi guys, my name is Dhanraj Ekurwar and today we are going to discuss the syllabus or introduction of mathematical methods in physics. The syllabus is for students of MSc Physics which are pursuing MSc in Physics. For those students, the syllabus is valid. Okay, so just look here. This is your first paper of first semester, that is mathematical methods in physics. Okay. So in this syllabus, we are going to discuss matrices. Our first chapter is matrices. In this, we are going to discuss about the properties of matrices. What type of properties matrix will hold, just like a Hermitian, antisymmetric, symmetric, or antisymmetric, then unitary, orthogonal, rotational. Okay, there are these types of matrix. These types of properties we are going to discuss in our regular lectures. After that, we are going to discuss trace of matrix, rank of matrix, and inverse of matrix, how to find inverse of matrix, then application of matrices, where we can use matrices. After that, we should have to focus on eigenvalues and eigenvectors, how to find eigenvalues and eigenvectors of matrix, of any matrix. Then we are going to discuss most important theorem, that is Cayley-Hamilton theorem. It is a very important theorem. After discussing this theorem, we are going to also discuss diagonalization of matrix. Diagonalization, how to find diagonal elements of any matrix. That type of questions, how to handle, we are going to discuss. Then we are going to discuss the complex analysis, how the complex number behave, their representation, then complex algebra. Then we are also going to discuss Euler formula, then De Moivre's theorem, powers and roots of a complex number, elementary function, and also we are going to discuss how to find the complex number or any function is analytic or non-analytic. Okay, that type of numerical also we are going to discuss. After that, we are going to discuss Cauchy-Riemann condition. The- There are conditions for finding analytical or non-analytical functions. That condition we are going to discuss. Then singular points, poles, harmonic function. This is our first chapter in which we are going to discuss matrices and complex number. Matrices is a part of linear algebra. Linear algebra. And matrices is basically used to store some information. Like the application of matrices we can see everywhere, like computers, then any bookstore, database that can be held in the form of matrix. Okay. After that, we are going to discuss second chapter, that is differential equation. In differential equation, we are going to focus on second order differential equation. There are first order, first degree differential equation also exist, but in our syllabus there is second order differential equation. But before discussing second order differential equation, we are also focusing on first order differential equation. Then ordinary and singular points of ODE. ODE stands for ordinary differential equation. Then series solution about an ordinary point. Solution about singular point. Solutions of the following differential equations by series expansion, like binomial expansion, or there are various expansion series. That type of series we are also going to discuss. Also, Legendre polynomial, Legendre expansion, Bessel's expansion, Hermite, Ligure. These are also we are going to discuss. Okay. On this basis, our third chapter is related to second chapter. Okay, on that basis, then see, our third chapter is special function. In special function we are discussing Legendre polynomial, Rodriguez formula, generating function, and recurrence relation recurrence relation is very important. There is always one question asked in gate or NET exam. Unfortunately, one of six recurrence relations can be asked in exam. Then we are going to focus on Bessel's function first kind, recurrence relation, orthogonality, Hermite polynomials, and Legre polynomials. Okay, this is our third chapter syllabus. Okay, after that, we are our fourth chapter is Fourier series. Fourier series, in which Fourier series we are focusing definition, evaluation of coefficient, and Dirichlet conditions. Okay, and their theorem also with proof. This Fourier series, how can be helpful in a half wave rectifier or full wave rectifier? Okay, that is also our syllabus part. And Fourier transform. After Fourier series, we are focusing on Fourier transform, in which we are uh, studying some formulae of Fourier. Okay, then the condition of direct delta function. Okay, then Fourier sine and cosine transform and their waveform, how to behave, and application for solving integrals, how to solve any series of Fourier series. Okay, that is our syllabus for this fourth chapter for our syllabus. Then fifth chapter is Laplace transform. Laplace transform, in which we are focusing on definition and properties. There are properties are very important in Laplace transform. There is heat equation and all, etc. There are many properties that can satisfy in our day-to-day life, or we can say in our industrial life. In that we are focusing on Laplace transform. Then partial fraction expansion, then quadratic, repeated or unrepeated factors, okay, and application of Laplace transform for solution of differential equation and problems in physics. We are going to solve many numericals on this syllabus. Okay. So for this syllabus, we are going to study on following reference book. It is Mathematical Methods in Physical Science by Mary L. Bush. Introduction to Mathematical Physics, Charlie Harper. Mathematical Methods for Physics by Weber, H. J. Weber or Arkin. Okay. Or Arkin. Then Laplace Transform and Control System Theory for Technological by Theoret. Mathematical Methods by John Matthew. Mathematical Methods in Physics and Engineering by K. F. Riley. Okay, these are the authors of reference books in which we can you can study our syllabus. And basically, I am going to refer two books for our syllabus. One is Engineering Mathematics by H.K. Das. Second one is Higher Engineering Mathematics by Krasik. This is also foreign author. Okay, by Krasik. Higher Engineering Mathematics. Mathematics. Okay, these books basically I am going to refer. Okay, this is our syllabus of first subject or first paper, that is mathematical methods in physics. The syllabus belongs from Dr. Bamu University, Aurangabad. Dr. Bamu University, Aurangabad. Okay, the paper number is Physics 401. In next video, we are going to discuss introduction to classical mechanics. We are going to study of the outline of classical mechanics. Okay, one by one we are focusing on syllabus. Then we are going to start our regular lecture. Okay, thank you for watching the video.